Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the exact thread size and pitch. This matters because inserts must match to hold torque. Once done, clear the hole, degrease and blow out metal chips so the tap runs straight and cuts clean. Make sure to choose the drill bit size that the kit chart specifies. Using the wrong diameter ruins fit. You'll hold the workpiece steady, clamp it, and start drilling perpendicular. This first stage sets the foundation for all later steps. You now tap the hole and install the insert. Apply cutting oil to reduce friction and prolong tap life, then start the tap slowly while keeping perfect alignment. Use a guide if needed. Once started, turn forward a few turns and back off to break chips. This prevents clogging and a seized tap. After the hole threads are complete, screw the insert in with the driver until it seats. This gives the repaired thread the original strength and alignment you need. You finish by removing the tang if required. Some kits use a tang you snap off, others require a punch. Once removed, clean the area to remove metal chips, then test by installing the correct bolt and applying the specified torque. This confirms fit and seal. If the insert strips, is misaligned, or leaks, stop, reevaluate. A common fix is to retap slightly larger and use the next insert size, but only do that if the base material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.